This is just a simple review of an indoor car cover from Mercedes-Benz to fit the 463 G-Wagon. Now this came with the G55 that I recently bought. You can see the part number there. The indoor car cover, because it won't sustain rain or elements, comes in this little bag, um, basically zipped in there, and there's nothing remarkable about it. It's just that it fits the G-Wagon. You can see it's got the sort of fleecy interior lining. I'm not quite sure of the manufacturer. There's the part number again, and made in Italy. So the interior is this fleece, and the outside is a sort of silky, like a semi-elastic material, and it's got a little bit of stretch. There is elastic sewn into the periphery, so you can see here just throwing it over the G55. It's kind of nice in that it's got the rear view mirrors and the spare wheel cut out. In Australia, these retail for about $850 looking online. As I said, it's kind of nice. It does fit the mirrors. It goes on. Now, my car's got a bull bar. I'm not quite sure what the front would look like if the bull bar, or roo bar as we call them here, wasn't on the car, but the cover extends almost to the base of the wheels, so it's quite extensive, and if you're in a car park that gathered a lot of dust, it'd certainly do the job well. Nice fitment over the spare wheel cover. You can see the elastics at the lower edges keep this thing nice and snug. It's a bit of a windy day today actually, so when I show you the front you'll see it flapping around a bit, but no problems. This thing is not coming off with a little bit of wind. It fits over the roof well. I'm not sure long term if you left it on if the aerial would poke through the material. It's got the AMG logo plastered on the bonnet section. There's no crease at the window at the lower edge. You can see everything fits pretty well. It's extended over my bull bar, so again, I'm not quite sure how that would sit, but it would certainly get down very low. Now this is actually on the 460 G-Wagon that I own, the red one, and it actually fits very well. Obviously identical body, panels and shape. The only difference is really the size of the spare wheel and the rear view mirrors. So if you want to spend a reasonable sum of money on your 460, this will fit really well. Again, no concerns. Identical body to the 463. Again, you can see the elastic comes over well. There's that nice fleece material which won't be damaging your paint, but this is not waterproof. So this part will fit either a 460 or a 463 and a 461 for that matter.